All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, Man Over Market, and today is April 10th and day of infamy because in 1957, my mother gave birth to me. So, a happy birthday to myself, and hopefully, we can end the week in a positive note. All right. Well, I was looking for the market yesterday to take out this high after we got bullish. I mean, I was pointing it as a target. You know that the way I feel about the market, and I've been extremely negative and think this has all been done on air, and I'm not real friendly towards it right now. So uh, we made a high of 2090 half. Okay, we've made a low of overnight. We're looking at 20, basically 2083, 2082.75 right there. Okay, we're going to use 2084 as our bull bear zone. Obviously, everybody thinks this is a good structure, and they also think all this is a good structure. So I'm going to leave it alone. But we'll use 2084 as our bull bear zone today, okay? This may be a busy looking chart for you, but if you take a look at it, I put the Fibonacci back up for you. Taking a look at the low from 1970 and a quarter up to this high of 1775. Excuse me. So I'm looking at right, this blue line is a 78.6% retracement, which comes in at 2086. And so, be aware of this. On the Keltner channel, it looks like on the day chart, they're kind of flattening out. This is pointing out that maybe we could go up to 2101, 2102 before the market has run out of steam on the day time frame. If I switch this to a 4 hour time frame, which I like to look at, all right, we're in the overbought territory. So uh, I don't know. I just I'm gonna wait to see, and these are still pointing up, so we have nothing that has corrected that. So I'm gonna have to stay with the trend as your friend, but I'm not trading the market from the long side, and I won't until I get a sell signal. I'm not. I would rather not participate than be in a trade that I think is uncomfortable. So, right, right. It's like I told my daughter as she was dating. Don't ever put yourself in an uncomfortable situation. Okay, maybe it's a little different, but same mentality. All right. So I'm taking a look at the. Let's take a look at the profile. We got the high at 2083.75. We've got point of control at 2084 and a quarter. Also, we've got the so here's your point of control, 2084 and a quarter. All right, we kind of got out above this high zone that we talked about for weeks, 87 down to 84 half. We're using 84 as our bull bear zone. Okay, so be aware of that. And then the bottom of values all the way down here at 20 70.75. Okay, this was the area yesterday that we broke out from, and once again, once it got through the bull bear zone, it kept going up. Okay, so this is the bottom end of my zone. I'm looking for 2076. Okay, if we make a retreat. So that's what I'm looking at. That I'm looking at all the Nasdaq, Russell, everything is in a buy, and for right now, I'll put out the 5 minute pivot. Let me give you the 5 minute pivot here for S&Ps while we're on screen. Okay, all right, down here at 2085 and a, let's call it 2085 and a quarter, 2085 and a quarter, 5 minute pivot. Okay, so the bull bear zone is at 2084. Okay, all right, that's what I got going on there. All right, here we go with the bonds. Surprise, surprise, surprise. They went down, made a low. Oh, they're rallying back up here. All right. So we got top of value 164.22, 163.06, all this whole area, 163.06 to 163.01. We got the point of control, bull bear zone, and the bottom of value. All right. So the bonds and the S&Ps, I guess you just keep buying dips and you'll be okay for the rest of your life. All right. Let's bring the crude in. All right. Crude. Here we are. All right. We're trading below value. We're putting the bull bear zone right here at 50.28. Okay. You've got the bottom of value and the point of control at 50.79 and 50.78. You got the top of value at 51.46. This is the zone that I was talking about the other day when it came down, or the supplies came out, and it now looks like we're trading below that zone. So we will use 50.28 as the bull bear zone for oil today. You know that I'm negative on oil, so that's where I'm at with oil. Okay, gold is the only thing left, I believe, and gold yesterday. Okay, and I drew this in here because yesterday we had the bull bear zone right here at the 1196, I believe. Okay, so I left that in there to show you that we believe that yesterday it kind of stayed below the bulls at bear zone, and finally when it got above it, market took off. Market's trading above it today. We've got our bull bear zone at 1203.30, which it looks like we are trading back above it now. So that's the bull bear zone way up there. You got 1195 half, top of value 1194.60, and 1193.70. So keep an eye on gold, and 1203.30 is the bull bear zone for gold. All right. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. The people that watch us on the Eddie Show on the Top Step Trader had a wonderful lunch and opportunity to meet with their people yesterday, and we're going to have some nice things in store for you people who follow us. All right, everybody, talk to you later, and good luck trading. Bye.